I think when we look at, in fact, the number of bank accounts a person has, I think over time, just over one's life, it sort of builds up and adds up. I myself probably have about 3 or 4 accounts. I probably close to.
We'll help you. Let me bring it down. All to access. Huh?
One is enough. So, there was a salary account in an old job, or maybe there is a joint account with the parent or, with a spouse. I guess just over time, people end up with these multiple accounts. And I have heard a number of consumers really look for a great UPI experience, for example. And really, while they may be using some other app, they look for a bank that can give them a great UPI experience. And that goes back to what you were saying about the kind of investments in the tech stack and so on and so forth. And where the customer wants to pay from becomes that point of high affinity and becomes what one could call the house bank. I think house bank was a very corporate word, but I think it's increasingly more relevant in the retail and consumer space as well. So thanks for that. I thought we'll talk a little bit about how does this work with branch banking. There's a traditional sort of sense of banking, customer walks in, deeply engaging. And I think in India we've seen not just with banks, even if it is an NBFC, what I hear regularly is, we are a phygital nation. So, there is that whole physical presence. Customers are comfortable, they feel that they'll be taken care of, it creates loyalty, creates engagement. And then on the other side, on the other extreme, customers also want this whole digital interaction. There is a trade-off and sort of there's also a balancing act between the two. So how do you view this?
So firstly, let me solve your problem. In Axis Bank mobile app, we have a feature, Praveena, where you can not only look at Axis account, but all the other accounts at the same time. And we're very soon adding a functionality where you can transact on those accounts also. So you don't have to close any account, you can just keep adding features to it. But coming to the branch banking, I completely agree that while we can digitize every service, every product, there are certain services or products where customers have this desire and need to have a conversation or a face-to-face interaction. And you cannot take them away. It will be very wrong on your part to say, no, that service is not available. So for the way we are looking at this world is very simple, actually. We are saying that you too please engage with us on your digital side as much as you want. Almost all products and services are available digitally. You can transact digitally, absolutely no problem. But you can also come to any of our, why physical? You can come to our call center, you can write a mail to us, and we will enable all the people who are sitting on the other side of the table or other side of the call who know exactly, are fully enabled to provide you a digital experience in the sense that they can themselves walk through that journey, but you might feel that you're having a physical interaction. So our call centers, our branch people are enabled digitally. We have actually an internal app called Siddhi which actually allows them to do that. Not only that, I will also know that where you have left your digital or physical journey last time around and literally pick it up whenever you want to have or restart the conversation. Third, not only that, add another feature where I know not only of this interaction, but I know of all the other interactions you have had with me through a platform we have called it internally called Kaleidoscope, where I know you went and used this service. It might not be unrelated, but I know. I also know you went and had a conversation about something else. You went on our mobile platform and did something. So I have a full idea when you're sitting across me or on a call that these are the kind of interactions you've had with me over the past defined period of time. So we are telling our customers we'll become more and more digitally savvy. But if you want that physical interaction, you have that option. If you want to use that option, please do use it. I will know and I will be able to guide you digitally through that interaction and give you the same answer you would have got in a digital platform. That's how we're thinking about it.
If you like the video, do like, comment, share and subscribe.